have 1 lakh rupees. What should I do?
Okay.
So he said, considering your age, so
Mm-hmm.
I don't recommend you to put all these 1 lakh rupees in the stock market.
Yes.
Good
Good morning.
morning, good
Good
morning,
morning.
Saraswati of
Good morning.
Humming Space.
Yeah.
How are you, Saraswati, today?
Yes. Today I'm good. I'm well.
Doing
Yeah.
well?
Yeah. I'm doing well.
Tomorrow is Diwali, right? Or day after tomorrow?
Tomorrow. No, tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So these days, no, in this day and age, people they want to celebrate. In the name of anything, they want to celebrate, and everything
Yes.
will lead to shopping, spending,
Yes.
expenditure.
Yes.
And these shopkeepers, the business class, the business community, they are also encouraging people on such myths. Oh, this day, if you buy gold, you will be the best. That will bring prosperity to all of you.
Yes.
They advertise in such a way that people will fall prey into that. People will fall into their trap. This is what I
Yes.
feel. Other than any logic behind that, like you buy gold every day.
I
You can
think
buy.
because this is our tradition and our ancestors means used to do these things, and because of that we follow.
So how long this has been a tradition? 100 years, 200 years, or 10 years, 15 years? Have you heard it when you were a kid? When you were a child?
Yes.
You
Yes.
heard this.
Yes. Even my
Dhanteras.
dadi also did these things.
Dhanteras.
My
So they buy
grandmother.
gold.
Yes.
They were the gold price reached the top. The
80,
record. How much?
80,000, 80,000.
My good. Like,
It's so costly.
yeah, see, per 80,000 means 8,000 rupees per gram.
Hmm.
8,000 in 2014 when I got my daughter got married.
Mm-hmm.
The cost was 2,300. 2,300 in
2,300.
2014. After 10 years,
Hmm.
in 10 years it has gone like 4 times.
Hmm.
So do you think that investing in gold is a good idea?
Yes.
You will be
Yes.
a great loss.
So
Like, for
it will be
example,
better.
now it is 55,000 or 70,000.
Yes.
So if you buy,
Making charge
for
also takes
example,
so
a
that.
chain you buy, you have to pay for the wastage, you have to pay for
Hmm.
making charges, you have to pay the GST, you have to pay other
Yes.
taxes, everything. So instead of paying 60,000, you will end up paying 80 or 85,000.
Yes.
After 10 years, when Shreya is getting married, and then you go there because the trend has changed and she doesn't
Yes.
like this design. So you take it, already you have spent 80,000 rupees.
Yes.
And when you exchange, you will
Yes.
not get anything for the making charges, wastages, or whatever
Yes.
is the gold price. And that also, there will be a reduction in that. And you will
Hmm.
end up getting maybe 50,000 rupees.
Yes.
So after 10 years, you will be at a loss.
Yes.
So what
So
you do?
better
What do you
if
suggest?
invest in gold, like there is trading in gold also.
Gold trading, paper
Gold
gold,
trading. Yes.
paper gold. You
Yes.
buy
Along
paper
with
gold.
that, yes, I can take some shares, good
You
shares,
can buy good shares. Okay,
good
very good.
shares.
Or you can
Uh,
put it in mutual funds.
Mutual funds. I do not invest in mutual funds. I only take shares. But
You
if I
buy
have
direct equity. You just
equity,
enter
yes.
the equity market. You buy online, or you have any portfolio manager. You do
No,
it yourself.
I do my by myself only.
You have a demat account.
Yes.
Wow. You
Yes.
link to your personal account and you go
Yes.
to there,
Yes.
open the account. And so how do you get the tips? Which stocks to buy, when to sell? Do you do the intraday marketing, intraday trading?
Intraday I do not do because I don't believe in that. Yes, for learning. Earlier I was doing my means I give lots of time to learn all these things from YouTube
Like sometime
and
you
from
can
my
buy from NSE and you can sell it in BSE. Buy it from
yes,
BSE, sell it like 10 paise. If you get like
yes,
you have 1,000 shares, you got like 10 to 100 rupees one day is good.
yes. And even some I also learned call and put only for learning because it's very risky,
Very risky.
very risky.
So
Mostly like
why are you averse to mutual funds? Why don't you like go for an SIP? What is SIP?
SIP means every month we have to spend one
Systematic
particular
investment
systematic.
plan.
Yes.
Systematic investment plan. Why don't
Plan.
you
Yes.
even 200? Now these days the government has made a plan. Even you can invest 250 rupees every month.
Okay.
Yeah.
For
And
that, what I should do?
you have to link your bank account to a particular mutual fund. For example, any conservative hybrid fund. For example, you have ULIP funds, or you have SBI funds, or you have private funds called like Motilal Oswal fund. For example, I'm telling. So
Okay.
you have to link your account to that mutual fund, and
Okay.
you have to give a mandate. It is
Mm-hmm.
called mandate. Like every month,
It will
1,000
deduct.
rupee, yeah, will be deducted.
Okay.
Okay, so you just give the mandate, and it takes 24 hours to clear the mandate, to confirm the
Mhm.
mandate, and the next within 24 hours you will get a notification that your mandate has been cleared. And from this, you have to give a date, like
Mhm.
every 10th of every month, 15th of every month, 1st of every month, this money will go. So with that 1,000 rupees, what happens is they will buy shares of like two, three companies, for example.
Mhm.
Then sometime the market goes down.
Mhm.
The price of the shares will go down
Yes.
automatically, naturally.
Yes. Yes.
So you can, like every month you are buying. So this month you got 10 shares. And
Mhm.
next month the market goes down, you can buy 12 shares.
Yes.
Yeah, then market goes up, then you can get only 8 shares. And
Mhm.
after next month the market crashes, and you can buy 20 shares.
Yes.
So average, you will be having more and more shares in your case, and after 1 year, you'll
Mhm.
see that it was a wise decision. This is my practical experience.
Yes. Yes.
SIP is very good for common man.
Mhm.
But if you do it one shot, for example, you invest 5,000 rupees one time, you
Mhm.
buy some shares, and next
Mhm.
time when the market crashes, nothing happens. When
Mhm.
market goes up, nothing happens, because whatever investment you have and number of shares you have, that will remain same.
Yes.
So
And the
if it
same thing, yes, this is SIP is good, but same
SIP,
thing I think we can do by our own. Like every month, if we decide one particular amount, and there are five, suppose four or five
yeah,
shares are
you
there,
can you can
so
do
we
that.
can watch
rather than
and
rather
keep
than
monitoring.
going on an SIP, you can do that. But the
Mhm.
problem is, you have to be on your heels all the time. You have to be watching closely.
Yes.
Sometimes you will miss it. You will forget to buy, forget to invest, and sometimes it will not
Mhm.
be systematic. It may be an investment plan, but it need not be a systematic investment plan.
Mhm.
Okay. So recently I was consulting with one guy, one portfolio manager, and he gave me a wonderful tip. So
Mhm.
I told him, okay, so what you can do is like put this 1 lakh rupees in fixed deposit.
Fixed deposit.
Yes.
Mhm.
So as
But
a
there will
senior
there
citizen,
will okay.
yeah,
Okay, sorry,
I'll get
continue.
8.4%.
Yes.
For senior citizen, I'll get 8.4%. And if you are investing, you will get, for say example, 7.2 or 7.25%.
Yes.
Okay, so
Mhm.
how much you will get a monthly you will be getting, how much it will be, can you calculate? 1 lakh rupees. Are you good at mathematics?
No,
Bank
no.
calculate times 8.4 divided by 100. So you get 8,400 rupees an year.
Anyway.
1 year you get 8,400, and your bank rate, don't forget, 8.4%.
Mhm.
Okay, then divide this by 12, divide by 12 monthly, you get 700 rupees
Monthly.
monthly. 8,400 yearly.
Yearly, yes.
7.8.4 means 1 lakh times 0.084. This is the calculation.
Mm.
This is a formula.
Yes.
Or 1 lakh times 8.4 divided by 100 rupees. So
Mm.
8,400 rupees per month, per year, divide by 12, you will get every month 700 rupees.
Yes.
Put that 700 in SIP.
Mm. Yes, that idea is good.
So 1 lakh is safe. You are
Mm.
not playing with that 1 lakh rupees because you are old. You may anytime you can close that and take your 1 lakh rupees.
Yes.
So so now you are getting 8.4 and 700 rupees every month means 8,400 rupees every year, and that will
Mm.
grow. Maybe if you are so lucky, 8,400 can be like 10,000, 10,200, 10,000, or 12,000, 13,000. So your
Mm.
average return will be, instead of 8.4, your
Mm.
average return will be 10% or 11%.
Mm. Yes.
So if you want to play very safe game, you can do it like this.
Yes.
Or there are some kind of conservative hybrid mutual funds.
Yes.
Within 3 years, you will get good money. Of course, subject to market risk, but
Yes.
our economy, Indian economy, has to grow. The inflation will go up and down, the market will go up and down. But trust me, after
Mm.
5 years, you will get good, better, best returns.
Yes.
Don't buy gold. And if you want a gold, like
Yes.
now the gold price is high, so it's not a good time to buy. When the market is up,
Yes.
don't buy. When market
Yes.
is down, you have to buy
Yes.
gold. This is not a
Yeah.
good time. And even if you are buying, you go for like ETFs, gold ETFs, like
Gold ETF.
transfer of funds, ETFs, like
Mm-hmm.
be in the electronic mode.
Mm-hmm.
like like there is Reserve Bank is issuing gold funds.
Mm.
7 years ago, I purchased gold fund, Reserve Bank's gold fund, for 1 lakh rupees,
Okay.
and the term is 7 years. You have to keep it for
Mm.
7 years. Every month you will, every year you will get 2.5% interest for 1 lakh. I
Okay.
invested 1 lakh. You will get
Mm.
2.5% interest. That is
Mm-hmm.
negligible. That's negligible. Nothing. Peanuts. But what
Mm-hmm.
happens is, after 7 years,
Mm.
whatever is the gold price,
Yes.
you will get that price.
Oh.
For example, 1 year, 1 lakh rupees I invested 7 years ago, and I got, after 7 years, I got 2.4 lakhs.
Mm. Mm.
That
Yes.
is 2.5 times in 7 years.
Yes.
The right, or the investments on proper timings, the right method, right investment, that will always, you have to think about, because your life expectancy is high. you
Mm.
you don't know, you may be living up to 80, 85, 90, 95,
Yes.
and your requirements will be more, your medical requirements, everything, you will be traveling, you need money. So
Yes.
after a particular age, now I don't have any other income.
Yes.
I'm a retired person. So whatever I have to invest it wisely. I
Wise.
have to invest my hard-earned money wisely, so that I will not have to beg, or I need not kneel down in front of anybody for money.
Anyway. Yes.
So every person should do that in
Yes.
any possible way. Don't think that,
Mm.
oh, with this 250, with this 700 rupees, this 500 rupees, what I'm going to achieve. You
Yes.
can do wonders if you do it wisely, properly, think, ask, consult with people.
Mm.
Then you will come to know the best methods.
Yes.
So in general, we say like 30% of your income, monthly income, should be invested.
Yes.
Should, it's not saving, is not investing.
Yes.
Saving is not, I can, like, I get 10,000 rupees and I can put 3,000 rupees in a piggy bank. I'm
Mm-hmm.
saving. I can put it in my locker and lock. What happens? After 1 year, your 3,000,
It
the
will be the
value of
same.
3,000 will be, no, it won't be the same. The value of 3,000
Less.
rupees
It
will
will
be
become
less.
yes.
After 5 years, for 3,000 rupees, you won't even
Value.
able to go to a hotel and eat. Forget about buying something. Maybe
Yes.
3,000 rupees, you will get a t-shirt. The inflation. What is inflation? Saraswati,
Inflation
what
means
is inflation?
suppose if I buy like gold price earlier 10 years ago, price was near about 30,000 and this time 80,000.
The
So I
reduction,
think
the reduction in the value of
of
money
gold.
over a
Yeah.
period of time, not gold, anything.
Sorry, yes, money. Yeah.
Yes, like if you see the vegetable market, if you go shopping, like 10 years ago, you can get like 1 kilo of apple maybe for 20 rupees.
Mm,
And now you have to pay 300 rupees for
yes.
1 kilo. So, what is the value of 20 rupees? Nothing.
Nothing.
But the value of money has gone down 10 times.
Yes.
Like earlier, like we had 100 rupees. Now the value of the 100 rupees is not even 10 rupees.
Mm,
These days some people I've seen, they give money to these beggars like 50 rupees, 20,
mm,
100 rupees. There's no value for money.
yes.
Earlier my father, he purchased a land for 5,000 rupees, just for
5,000.
5,000 rupees. And now
Mm.
if you go to a hotel, your bill will be maybe like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Yeah.
And he used to tell 5,000 rupees for land and 2,000 rupees for house construction. So the
Mm,
whole house was built less than 10,000 rupees.
mm,
And after years and like 30 or 40 years, when I sold it, I sold that whole property for 20 lakhs.
mm,
10,000 rupees property sold. So the value, there's no value. And with that 20 lakhs, if I want to buy something, I won't get anything.
mm,
I maybe like a small room I can buy for 20 lakhs.
yes.
So the reduction of money, the value of money over a period of time is called, in simple words, inflation. So you have to
Yes.
think about the inflation. That's why
Inflation.
we say your money should grow. If you keep it in a piggy bank, the money is not growing. If you put it
Mm,
in a bank deposit, it's slightly growing, but it's not good enough. Like your money is like after 1 year, your 100 rupees becomes 105 rupees growth,
mm,
but your inflation is 6%.
yes.
So your value of money is going down.
Decrease.
If
Yes.
you're if you're getting more interest and you get more than inflation, then you can say a little bit growth is there. So
Yes.
that's why government is coming with all such schemes. You should think wisely, invest wisely.
Yeah.
So Dhanteras led to us to a great discussion on some financial matters, financial gyan,
Okay.
and I'm
And
happy that
along
you
with
have.
that, today I come with one article, newspaper article.
Mhm.
Welcome to Ayodhya, a place of eternal peace.
Wow. Mhm.
Another day I will read this and you explain what
Eternal,
was
eternal peace.
eternal peace. Yes.
Mm. Long lasting peace.
Yes.
We'll see
Thank,
in the next session.
yeah. Thank you. Bye bye, sir.
Salam.